G'day, Chris Lynch coming to you from Sydney, Australia. I've flown from Christchurch to Sydney to show you the most spectacular lights festival in the entire world. Watch this.
Been fabulous just walking around tonight, hearing the conversations, seeing groups of people. We've got pensioners, we've got families, we've got teenagers, we've got couples in love, couples who perhaps might fall in love, all walking around the precinct, having a great time, interacting with the light installations. But the vibe here tonight is just happiness and joy, and everybody's relaxed. It's just a fabulous place to be.